Hello and welcome. In this presentation, you will learn how to use the social media platform Facebook to cultivate community within your childcare business. The information contained here has been prepared by Civitas Strategies and is not intended to constitute legal, tax, or financial advice. The Civitas Strategies team has used reasonable efforts in collecting, preparing, and providing this information, but does not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, adequacy, or currency. The publication and distribution of this information are not intended to create, and receipt does not constitute, an attorney-client or any other advisory relationship. Reproduction of this information is expressly prohibited. Only non-commercial uses of this work are permitted. In today's conversation, we will discuss the benefits of a private Facebook group and how to set one up for your childcare business. You've most likely heard of Facebook, one of the largest and most influential social media platforms in the world. Facebook has amassed almost 3 billion users and has had a massive impact in the way people connect, share information, and communicate online. As a childcare business owner, you can utilize the free platform in many ways to benefit your business. Specifically, we'll be discussing how you can best use private Facebook groups for your childcare business. A private Facebook group is a closed group that you can create, where members are restricted to who you invite or approve of. Only members of the group can see posts, making these groups a great and convenient option to connect with families and share information about your business. By effectively using a private Facebook group for your childcare business, you can strengthen relationships with families, enhance communication, provide valuable resources, and create a sense of community that benefits both your business and the families you serve. A private Facebook group can be great for fostering a sense of community between the families you serve, make communication easy and convenient, and improve your operations overall. Because Facebook has been around for 2 decades and has billions of users, you can safely assume that many families of children in your care already use the platform, or at least are familiar with it. Here are some ways you can effectively utilize the free resource of private Facebook groups. By creating a private Facebook group for your business, you can have direct communication with all families at once. This is especially useful for effectively communicating updates, reminders, and announcements, such as last-minute schedule changes or closures. Because members of a group can choose to be notified whenever a new post is made, families can conveniently receive a notification on their smartphones, computers, and any device they use Facebook on, ensuring that they'll never miss an update. You can also share relevant articles and resources in the group, helping parents stay educated and engaged in their child's development and community. You can share local events, state or county mandates, and more to ensure families are well informed. For example, if your local library has free educational and interactive events for children, you can share the flyer to encourage families to participate. Additionally, a private Facebook group can be used to share photos and videos. The closed group ensures privacy, as only members can see posts, and is safer than posting photos publicly on social media. Families appreciate seeing photos and videos of their children participating in activities and enjoying themselves, and knowing that their child is happy can ease any potential concerns. It can be relieving for a parent to see photos of their child having a great time in your care after a difficult morning or drop-off. However, before sharing any videos or photos of children, be sure to obtain consent from their respective families. Using a private Facebook group for your childcare business can foster a sense of community and support among the families involved in your business. Additionally, having a developed network can also become an attractive and unique aspect of your business to potential new clients. You can choose to allow all members to post and comment within the group, and families can use the open platform to ask for and give recommendations, share advice, and connect with each other. Through this group, families who may not usually see each other when dropping off or picking up their children can be introduced and will have a way to communicate with one another should they need to. You can also use the group to promote open communication and get direct feedback from families. Facebook contains a poll feature that you can use to gather opinions or gauge interest on specific topics. Families can also make their own comments and will appreciate having a place where they can be heard. You can easily review and address any concerns that may arise, while also being made aware of activities that were a hit. Some families may also have ideas for things to do or know of events that can be great for the children in your care. Facebook has an event feature that can make planning an event for your childcare business much easier. In addition to the more convenient communication that can make discussing details, sharing ideas, and collaborating regarding an event more efficient, the event feature can help you stay organized. Creating an event allows you to include all the relevant details about the event in one place so that families can easily reference and find the information. You set the date and time and invite all members in your private group. You can even create a chat thread that is specific to the event for families to ask questions. Once invited, families can RSVP to the event on Facebook, and you can easily track who is able to attend. Additionally, invited individuals can receive reminders in the days leading up to your event, ensuring that no one forgets to RSVP or attend. This can be useful for planning things like holiday parties, field trips, or even just a pajama day at your childcare business. One of the most attractive aspects of using Facebook for your childcare business is that the platform is free. Using private groups can eliminate the need to pay for communication platforms and tools, allowing you to save money and reallocate funds to other aspects of your business. Setting up a private Facebook group is simple. To begin, make sure you are logged into your personal Facebook account, as only individuals can create and manage groups. Next, go through these steps. To access groups, go to your homepage and click on the Groups option on the left sidebar. Once on the Groups page, click the Create Group button. Then, set up your group. A window will appear where you can set up your group. Add a name, write a description, select a group photo, and make sure that you choose Private under the privacy settings to create a private group. You will also have to choose the visibility of the group. If your group is set to visible, your group will come up in the search results if someone is looking for your group. If it is set to hidden, only existing members will be able to find the group. Next, you can customize the settings by going to Group Settings. You can determine how people can be invited, who can approve new members, create your own web address, who can post and share in the group, and more. After your group is set up, you're ready to invite members. You may already be friends with the families you serve, and you can easily go through your Facebook friends to send invites. You can also share the link to your group using their email addresses, which can be convenient if you keep an email list to communicate with families. Also, encourage those invited to the group to share the link with other families to ensure that no one is left out. Remember, you will have to approve each person who wants to join the group. Finally, start posting. You now have a fully functional private Facebook group. Post updates, share information, encourage discussions and feedback, and foster a sense of community among the families involved in your childcare business. When used to its full potential, Facebook groups can be an excellent resource that can benefit your business and the families you serve. By creating a private Facebook group for your childcare business, you can cultivate a network of families, enhance your communication methods, and create a sense of community between your business, the children you care for, and the families that care for them. For more information, visit the DKL Thriving Childcare Business Academy website. If you have questions about the Academy, send them to the email address on the screen. And be sure to visit the Civitas Strategies YouTube channel for more valuable resources to support you and your business.